All right, guys, so I'm sharing this with you guys real quick. It is Tuesday, so happy Tuesday. I got this on Amazon. My son bought me something for my birthday off of Amazon. My birthday was Sunday, and he bought me a gift. It came messed up. So when I went to do the like replacement or whatever, they just opted to give me a refund, and instead of getting what he gave me, I went ahead and got this because I've been wanting one of these for a long time. And I'm going to go ahead and real quick, and I'm sorry it's going to be shaking. I'm in my room and I'm kind of using a little table, so it's kind of weird. But oh my goodness, I finally got the Miniverse Make a Mini All You Can Eat. I didn't know it was a case. I just opened it up like right before I started filming. I was like, wait, let me film it because why not? And I didn't know it was a case because the one at Target, I don't know why I didn't know it was a case. It's right there on the picture, but I don't know. My brain didn't like, uh, I don't know. It didn't compute. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like. I'm sure you guys have seen this, but it's new to me and I love it. And you get some extra stuff here in the box. I'm not sure if you get this stuff in the one from Target. The one from Target though, okay, so these are little backgrounds or something. I'm not sure. I'm sorry for the moving, guys. All right, let's see. I can't get them out. So I guess these are just like backing. So let me move this big box out the way. So I got this today on Amazon. If you have Prime, it's $35, same day shipping. It's what it costs right now. It's like on a it has like a sale going on right now. If not, it's like 60 something dollars. So I jumped on it real quick. So I will have it linked in my storefront if you want to just go straight to it, or link down below, either way. And so you get 101 plus pieces and has the little crates, and it says it has a storage case, 8 drawers, exclusive ingredients, make it, store it, display it. So I know I've seen these like in the background of people's when they're doing like making their minis and stuff, so I didn't realize that this is what it was. Let me open it up here without shaking you guys all up. Why can't I get it? Oh, there we go. I can't get it open. Hold on. There we go. All right. I don't want to like shake you guys too much. All right. Oh my goodness. Look at all that. Okay, so it's a lot of stuff in here. I didn't realize that it was this many like different pieces. But the anyway, so at Target, it's like 40, it's like 50 bucks at Target if you buy it online, and I think it costs more if you buy it in the store. So just keep that in mind. I will link it down below. I don't know how long it's going to be $35, and I don't know you know how how long they're gonna have them. So definitely it's gonna be noisy. Okay, there we go. Is that tape on it? It's tape on it. We're just gonna do that. Okay, so we're gonna start on this side. So on this side, you get the slushy pieces, or like the bag of slushy. And then you get a bag of ice. You get your 4 forks, 4 spoons, 4 knives. Let me just pull one of each out so you can see them. These are going to be good if you work in 1/6 scale. Definitely good additions to that. Oops, there. So you get 4 sets of the serving of the spoons. I can't talk today. Sorry, the utensils. Then apparently I can't use my hands either. Then you get 2 of these little, probably like sundae cups, I guess. And then there's a bunch of spaces. The shelves are adjustable, so you can even add other shelves if you want to. If you want to just get some like plastic or get some foam board, you can make more shelves if you want to. We get a little tier tray, so that's adorable. Then you get a cake spatula. And this is, oops, sorry about that. This is, it says a party cake. And my phone is ringing. That's okay. We're just gonna hopefully keep going there. Looks like it is a chocolate cake, a 2-tiered chocolate cake, and it is stuck together, and it comes in this cute little container. So you get that. Then you get some chocolate. So I don't probably, it looks like it's for strawberries, and maybe it's white chocolate. I think it might be white chocolate. Obviously it's gonna be, let's see, I don't know if it's a regular chocolate or white chocolate. Let's see. This is awesome. Let's see. Okay, so this is gonna be like white chocolate. And I don't know if I've probably said this a million times, I don't really use the resin. I just like having all the little pieces. And I love this little display case. And then you've got some glaze back here. I don't know if it's pink, if like the top color is what tells you the color inside. And then you get these little, can I even take it out? Oh, it's underneath. Oop. Okay, so I'm just going to pull one out so I can see kind of what size it is here. So you get these cute little crates, and I love these. You get 4 of them. Oh, and there's other shelves in here. Okay, so you get 4 of these crates. I really kind of want more of these little crates, so I'm gonna put that right there for now. Then you get 2 of these little rectangle trays. I like those. I like that they're square because I'm not a bit, or like, you know, square edges, because I don't really like circles. This is looks like cinnamon toast, maybe. Looks like 2 slices of cinnamon toast. You've got some grape jelly. Then you've got sprinkles. So you got pink and purple sprinkles. You got yellow and white sprinkles. Oh, those are cute. If you can see them there, that light might be a little bit too bright. Let's see. So you got yellow and white sprinkles, pink and purple sprinkles, and then you've got white chocolate chips. So that's pretty cool there. Put the light back on so you can see again. Then you get these little tarts, which are adorable. You get some whipped cream. Oh my goodness. You get 2, oh, I love these. You get 2 of these little mini mason jars. You may not know it, but I absolutely love mason jars. I like storing my stuff in my kitchens in mason jars, so that's cool. You get 2 of those. Then you get the ice cream scooper, and you get 4 scoops of mango sorbet, so you can put those in there. And then you get 4 scoops of raspberry sorbet. So that's those 2. Then you get some, oops. Then you get some super spicy tortilla chips. And if I can open this up without tearing it, I can show you what they look like. They look like Doritos. That's adorable. So you got some cute little chippies. And then you've got some cola, I guess cola looking resin. I love these little containers that the fruits come in. Is this avocado? It is. Oh, that is adorable. So you got avocado and you've got blueberries. And I just love putting this stuff in my refrigerators because I just think it looks cute and makes everything look so realistic. Then you've got 2 oval trays. Oh, I forgot to take this one off. Hold on a second. Let's take this one off. This is really cute and definitely, I think, worth the money because let's say it's $7 a pop, you know. Hold on a second. It's $7 per container. I mean, per miniverse ball. Then, I mean, you've already made more than that here. So this is a good deal. All right, so you got soup resin. Oh, you got a cute little box of elbow macaroni. Then you've got Choco Nana rings. Oh, it's a little cereal. Which, if you have any mini brands cereal boxes, you can definitely add these to those boxes. That'll be cute. Like if you have the elbow macaroni, if they even have one, I don't know, but that'd be cute to kind of switch it out and put those in there. Then you've got a container of oat milk. These are, oh, pancakes. So you've got the box and then the cute little pancakes. These really look, can't really see them. Let me see, hold on. You can't see, yeah, there you go. So you can kind of see the better detail. It's 3 different colors, and then you've got the box to go with it. They thought of everything. I love this. And then you've got your maple syrup. And, uh-oh, don't fall. What are these? Then you've got, oh, macaroons. Okay, so you've got the, is it only one? Oh, I think you're able to make the sandwiches because there's nothing in the middle and it's only one layer. So you can make some macaroons. That's cute. And then you've got the little like baking tray on there. And then, oh, orange slices. Okay, that's cute. Those look really, really real. Those are very realistic. Then you've got some orange juice, it looks like. Yeah, some orange juice resin. They do have the little nozzle there. Then you've got a box for your little sweets there. So you've got, oops, 2 cinnamon rolls. Let me pull them out so you can see. Oh, and then there's another box for your donuts. So you've got a box for your donuts and a box for your cinnamon rolls. Again, if you have the mini brands, foodie brands, you know, you can kind of doctor these up a little bit and make them more like the Cinnabon. And then you can put those in there and kind of add those to that little deal. These are these raspberries. So you got little raspberries. And then you've cute little bananas. And you can always add like little black specks in the middle to make it a little bit more realistic. Then, oops, piece came off. And then, oh, this is for the, it had orange juice in it, but I guess you can obviously use it for whatever. Make a sorbet, you can make sundaes, ice creams, whatever you want. And then slices of strawberries. I love the little fruits, guys. I love them. And little kiwis. That's adorable. And then they give you a few straws. Looks like you get 4 straws and a pair of the little tweezers. And then you get 2 bowls. These are perfect size for Barbies. And then you get the cute little tray. Then you get, oops, it's underneath. You get all the little extra shelves there. And oops, it's gonna fall. And what are these? Oh, are these little containers too? I can't get them out. Come on. Oh yeah, so then there's a few more little, like, they look like little fridge trays or fridge drawers. So there's 2, 3, 4 of those, I think. Yeah, it looks like you get 4 of those, and then you get a few extra shelves, so you don't have to make them. And put this back this way. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, I guess I'm not really sure what these are for. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, it's a little island. So you can, so you can make a little island. I didn't know that it came with something extra. So that's an island. These are the sides of it. Okay, that's cool. So it's cool. So it gives you a little bit more like room to show it and display it. And then it looks like this goes on one of the sides. I'm not sure which one though. Where do you go? Where do you go? I don't know. I don't know where this goes. Does it cover the whole thing? I'm not sure. I'll have to look and see where this goes. But that's kind of cute too, just to... Oh, wait a minute. A meal planner. That's cute. I didn't see the other side. So it has a meal planner, and it does feel like maybe you can use a dry erase on there. Then it has recipes, shopping list, and notes. So that's kind of cute. I really like that. So that is everything that you get with this set. So be sure to check it out over on, like I said, I got mine from Amazon, and I think it was a much better deal than the one from Target. But you know, whichever way works best for you. If you don't have Prime, then obviously Target's going to be a better deal. But yeah, so, or actually it's still a better deal because it's still free, I think. You still get free shipping because it's over like 25, but don't quote me on that. But yeah, this is going to be awesome to just have all these little pieces and then have some extra storage for the other ones that I have, because right now I just kind of have them sitting in little containers. So it'll be nice to just have some place to put all of them rather than having them in just different little cases and stuff. So I love it. I love it. I love it. So definitely check it out. And this is a good birthday present. I love it. So that is it for today, guys. Until next time, be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye.